Yeah, hello friends. Today we'll be discussing about Indian Contract Act, or we can say as law of contracts, one of the important subject for SEM 1 examinations, Usmania University LLB. So what is an Indian Contract Act? Let us see the introduction right now. Indian Contract Act 1872 governs law relating to contracts in India. This act was passed by British India and is based on the principles of English common law. The act is applicable to whole of India including Jammu and Kashmir. The act came into effect from 1st September 1872 and applies to all contracts in India. तो हमने यहाँ पर क्या देखा है, इंडियन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट 1872 में पास किया गया था रिलेटिंग टू ऑल द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स ऑफ इंडिया. It is based on the English common law and it is applicable to whole of India including Jammu and Kashmir, and it came effect from 1st September 1872. So under that we see some of the important definitions under this act. So the first one is proposal, which is mentioned under section 2A. When one person signifies to another his willingness to do or to abstain from doing anything with a view to obtaining the assent of that other to such act or abstinence, he is said to make a proposal. यहाँ पर हम क्या समझ रहे हैं, प्रपोजल जो है सेक्शन 2A में दिया गया है. सेक्शन 2 सब क्लॉज A. When someone, जब दो पर्सन्स और दो पार्टीज के बीच में वो एक पर्सन उसको अपना विलिंगनेस बताता है कुछ करने के लिए या नहीं करने के लिए बोलता है, इन व्यू ऑफ गेटिंग द एसेंट, मतलब एक्सेप्ट करता है वो करने के लिए या नहीं करता है, इज मेड टू बी सेड अ प्रपोजल. प्रपोजल मतलब अभी मुझे मेरी कार बेचनी है, आई वांट टू सेल माय कार. So I meet a person, another party, and then tell them that I will be selling my car for 5 lakh rupees. So this is the proposal what I am giving. The other person may or may not agree for my proposal. So if he is agreeing or not agreeing, that all depends on what I am telling. I am telling that I will be selling the car for 5 lakhs. It all depends on the other party whether to accept it or reject it. So this is called as a proposal. Proposal मतलब हमको कुछ करना है तो we have to express it in front of others.